Let me ask you all a question. What is the most severe failure that can occur with a 65W flyback power supply? The 65W flyback power supply performs exceptionally well under no-load conditions. Its ripple voltage drops to just 50 millivolts, proving its reliability once again. But as soon as a load is connected, it activates protection instantly without even a warning sound. Perfect under no-load conditions, disastrous under load. So who exactly is this power supply protecting? In 90% of such failures, it is the driver IC, the electronic safety component, that triggers false alarms. Its primary protection target is not the load, but rather itself and the power transistor. Primary cause: insufficient VCC supply to the auxiliary winding. Under no-load conditions, the voltage remains stable at 15V, but it drops to 7V upon load application, triggering immediate IC protection shutdown. Second issue: false activation of edge current protection. Is the 100pF capacitor on the CS pin soldered incorrectly? The spike in the transformer's leakage inductance directly triggered the false protection mechanism. Third place: issues in transformer design. Was the inductance set too low? Were the same name terminals connected incorrectly? With a load current soaring dramatically, failure to install protection would be inevitable. Additionally, the overpower protection threshold was set too low, the feedback circuit's optocoupler CTR wasn't sufficient, and the output rectifier tube quietly failed. I've encountered all these issues before. Each time it required me to work through the night. Follow this troubleshooting sequence. First check VCC, then examine the CS waveform, and finally inspect the transformer. By following these steps, 95% of issues can be resolved within half an hour. What's the most ridiculous bug you've encountered while debugging your power supply? Share your experiences in the comments.